Your bike?
Yes.
Wow, you're a big girl.
Thanks.
How old are you now?
3.
3?
Yes. Now.
Where are we going soon?
To Newhall,
Where at?
to Washington.
That'll be fun. Oh no. Is a car coming? Oh no, it's going the other way. Okay, ready to turn around, go back?
No.
We're not gonna go way down there. Let's turn around, come on. Turn, and go. You gotta push hard. Push.
I won't go that way.
Okay, push.
I won't go get the mail.
No, that's up the hill. You won't be able to go up. Come on, go. Other way. There you go. Come on.
I can do it.
Okay, go. Come on, go.
I can do it.
Okay, come on. Ew, a cricket. Go
Mom,
get it. Go run it with your bike.
get me off and I'll buy it.
Oh, go chase it, quick. And go get it with your feet. Get it, Ember. Get it. Run. Step. Oh, squish it all the way. Ew. Did you just kill a cricket?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness. Why are you holding your hair?
Because I like holding hairs.
What a silly girl.
Let's go home!
Were you just going to leave your bike in the road? I can put it in? Fine.